I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I might, you know, I don't get my nails done, but I might have to go get my nails done. Hello everybody, it is Shae here. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing, a little jewelry review from Read Your Heart. I've worked with Read Your Heart in the past and I was so excited when they reached out to me again, and I have some exciting pieces to show you. But first, let me give you a little information about Read Your Heart.
Read Your Heart is a Moissanite jewelry company. Moissanite is the most popular alternative to diamonds. It was discovered in 1893 by French scientist Henry Moissan. It has the same hardness and brilliance as diamonds produced naturally on Earth. Read Your Heart's founder, Alyssa, created this jewelry brand so that people could enjoy the beauty of jewelry. Over the years, Read Your Heart has grown into a jewelry brand that is trusted and loved by many customers. It has provided jewelry to more than 100,000 customers around the world. Read Your Heart is more than an accessory. It's the embodiment of passion, love, and the best memories in our lives. From timeless and traditional to bold and modern, Read Your Heart aims to deliver the highest quality custom jewelry at an accessible price.
So we're going to talk about 3 items today, but first let me just mention how Read Your Heart packages their items. They're all going to be individually packed and you'll get a box for each of them. So here's my box for my little bracelet. You're also going to get a gift bag in case you are gifting this to someone, and you will get information about your jewelry pieces here in this little envelope. You'll also get a cleaning cloth and just information about the company overall in this little brochure here. You guys know that I love jewelry. I always have my watch on and my bracelets and my rings. I only have one ring on today because I wanted to highlight the beautiful ring that I got from Read Your Heart. But the first item we're going to talk about is this bracelet. Isn't that cute? This is really cute. This gold bracelet. Let me try it on for you guys so you can see how it looks. Okay, here we go. I think it's gonna pair really well with my existing bracelets that I wear every day. I wanted something dainty. I wanted gold because you guys know I love gold jewelry, so that's why I chose this one. But I just really love the detail and the charm. For this bracelet, you can size it, like if you do need it a little tighter, there's another little hook that you can use, or if you want it loose like I have it, you can do that as well. So that's our first item. Okay, the next 2 items I got, I wear them, or I'm going to wear them as a wedding set. Let me take off my existing ring right now so that I can show you guys these pieces. So the first one is this ring. It is 1 carat. Let me take it out the box so you guys can see. So it's 1 carat. Can you see that detailing on the side? Isn't that beautiful? And let me just show you the stone. Look at the detailing on the side. I love this. I have been wanting a new wedding set, so this, I am super excited about this. And then here is the band. Let me take this out the box so that you can see this as well. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I might, you know, I don't get my nails done, but I might have to go get my nails done just so I can show this off. Look how beautiful that set is. And let me tell you something about Read Your Heart. I have other pieces from them from, it's been a few years, and they still hold up. They still hold up. Moissanite jewelry is my jam, and I'll give you a few reasons why. The cost, also the quality of it. The quality is amazing. The durability, like it's very durable. Like I'm not afraid that it's going to break or chip or whatever. It's just, it lasts a long time. This company is amazing, you guys. So I am going to leave my link below. I'm going to leave my discount code so that you guys can get a discount when you visit their site. You are not going to be disappointed. Beautiful, beautiful jewelry. Very, very affordable. These are the 3 items that we got today. Let me take off my other bracelets. So here are our 3 items that we got today. And I want to just say thank you to Read Your Heart for sponsoring this video. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.